I chose life in its glory and pain, with all the sunshine and the rain. About 6 years ago, God has made me make the best decisions of my life, to share my life with someone I will treasure forever.
Karen, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib? Si Carlo ay pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Father.
Wow! Nagulat ako dito ah. Now, in His presence and glory, we will vow for everlasting love. Through all my heartaches and pain, our joy and happiness.
The most beautiful gift I received from God is you. Saglit lang. Why? My everything, my mutually satisfying wordness, my one true love, my ever-loving partner. See you later, dear. I love you.
This day makes us officially hubby and wifey. We've been preparing for this to happen, and all throughout the preparation, alam kong madalas akong nag-give up, especially this past few days. Thank you for not letting me give up, because you give me the infinite reasons not to.
When I was young, I used to criticize, I analyze, and ask for everything. Like, do true love exist? Will He, God, still give me the one true love I ask? And now, He has given me an answer, and it is you.
We will face all the challenges together, and I promise to be the best wife this girl could be. Thank you for the million patience and tons of love. I love you. I love you, dear.
We have to fall in love. Magpaubaya ka sa pag-ibig ng Diyos.
Hi there. Hope this gift won't lead too much fighting due to Mobile Legends. See you at the altar later. I love you. Napakagaling mo. Di gagamitin pag mag-Mobile Legends. Bawal.
Hindi ka na nag-iisa, Karen. You have partner for life. Andyan si Carlo. At Carlo, hindi ka nag-iisa, laging nandyan si Karen.
So let's walk down the aisle. Right now, for the words that we could say, there's only just one way I feel for you. And right now, for every promise we could
ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Karen na iyong pakamamahalin ng paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Sure ka?
Sure na sure po.
Tell me how. So let's walk. Tell me how. You have my whole heart, my whole life, my whole heart, for my whole life, with my whole heart. Let's walk down the aisle for our whole lives. Let's walk down the aisle now and always. You're my future, you're my past, now and always. You're my first and you're my last.
Papanalangin po natin ang dalawang ito sa kanilang pangako ng pag-ibig at katapatan, tunay nawang hindi lamang ngayon, kundi ito'y maging panghabang buhay.